G'day, Sea Dog here. Welcome to my channel for high school drawing students.
G'day Year 9s, it's Mr. Christmas here with another little project for you, and this time we are going to use a different material to mostly what you've done in silver and gems and different things like that. Brass. This time we're using leather. So this is a little leather little spanner. It's a key ring, like little adjustable spanner. Just check this out, tell your mother. Even the little adjuster thing that normally would make the jaw go up and down on a real one, that even turns. Hey, that is so cool. So this is 3 layers of leather. It's one layer folded around, and then there's another third layer just in the middle here to make it a bit thicker and a bit more solid here, a bit more substantial. And also we needed the thickness in this example to accommodate fabricating this thing and getting that thing fitted in. Here's another example. Mr. Voss really liked these, so we cut this one out on the laser, and he's even got acrylic little discs that make up the little turny thingy here for you, and obviously we can do those in whatever colour acrylic we want. On this one here, the original one, that's stacked leather, so it's lots of discs of leather cut out with a little circle punch called a wadding punch, and we've just sort of glued them together and made it that way. So lots of different sort of techniques we can do. Leather's really good because it's a very versatile material, but you guys are going to have to design your own shapes up, and so I'm looking forward to the different designs you can come up with. But on this video here, I'll just show you one more. This is another one which is incomplete, but it's good because it shows you the different parts. So this is a bull. So there's a base layer leather here. Then on top of here, I've got that one. On the base layer, I'm going to chop his ears off. Don't need those there. But I wanted the horns a bit thicker, which is why I've got 2 layers. And then on top of that, there's his face for the top layer here. And in this case, the key ring is going to be, it's like a bull nose ring top effort here. So on the back, there'll be a leather strip that goes down around the key ring and back, sewn onto the back one. So I'll actually sew that strip on to this first before I assemble and stack it like that. But anyway, that's another one. You've got to design your own. I'm pretty happy with my 2 designs, and the spanner and the bull, you've got to come up with yours. I'm going to show you a number of videos with different skill sets for working with leather. One will be how to mark out the leather. So I've made a template here, so I'm going to mark out the leather from that. Then I'll show you another one which is to do with sewing leather. Now this one hasn't got any sewing on it, stitching. We're going to call it saddle stitching. I'm going to show you one which has putting a press stud into it to hold it together, and a leather rivet as well. So we'll show you a number of videos, maybe even one with staining. So this is just an introductory video, and the second one I'll show you is how to mark out leather from your template onto the leather. Okay, so I'll show you that in the next video.